Vestor College of Management, Patna. Vestor College of Management is a unit of Vestor Education Trust. It is affiliated with Pataliputra University and aims to revolutionize education. Its vision is to develop an environment where each student can identify their potential and craft themselves in a way that they excel in their career. Here, you can see the classroom where lectures by the campus faculty take place. These classrooms offer a space for authentic and purposeful learning. We have now arrived at the campus library. The campus library is flooded with natural light and well stocked with books ranging from technology, business, to history and art. It has a proper seating system for collaboration and also for independent study. The campus has a large auditorium that can accommodate more than 200 people at a time. It has a modern seating system for students, parents, and teachers to enjoy cultural performances, competitive events, and other group activities. This is the computer lab at the campus. Equipped with the internet access and desktops, they provide students with all amenities required to learn the latest programming languages, learn online, and enhance their wisdom and knowledge. This brings us to the end of the campus 360-degree tour of Vestor College of Management. As you saw, the campus infrastructure is ready to offer a wholesome educational experience to students.